Hey folks, how you doing? This is Mangwancha here. I was having lunch and I happened to check out the Google Store, and I found that there's a new update. Very interesting things going on here on the new update for all Pokemon players here, trainers that are out there. If you haven't got the new updates, go to the store and download it manually. What's new? They added a new dialogue to remind trainers that they should not play while traveling above a certain speed. Trainers will have to indicate they aren't the driver. So now this is a very interesting feature here. I don't know how it's going to work in terms of when you play the game. This is going to have I guess a minor effect on me because I mostly play while drive, but I don't do it. I just run my game and while I drive. If I'm for example, if I'm in rush hour and there's a bumper to bumper traffic on the parkway, for example, and that way I try to run the mileage or the kilometers to hatch my eggs. I think this feature somehow they're tracing up whether you're driving or not, because I have noticed that it's taking a while for an egg to hatch. It's not registering the mileage even when you're driving slowly. We'll see. I think it has something to do with this new feature because I don't have I'm not because I didn't update yet. Every time I drive, it doesn't register really fast, or it takes a while. Somehow is the game is monitoring that I'm driving. I'm not walking, for example. That's cool. I guess add some more security for people reckless people like myself that drive and play. But yeah, that's a good feature. It'll be interesting to find out exactly how it is. Sometimes I drive with my girlfriend. We she will be playing on the two phones, on my phone and on her phone, to catch all the Pokemons and go to Pokestops and stuff like that. So and I do the driving. We do drive regularly to town and out of town, and that's how we play. But I do stop if there's something that requires my attention. So I do stop completely and shut off the car and finish up catching up hard Pokemon, for example. Anyway, fix the next item that they say they fix a bug that prevented nice, great, and excellent quote-unquote Pokeball throws for awarding the appropriate XP bonuses. That is true, and I didn't notice that. I've thrown good balls, great balls, and I only saw 100 XP points given. If I didn't see this, I wouldn't have noticed. That's good. Another thing that was fixed enabled the ability for trainers to change their nickname one time. So please choose your new nickname wisely. Okay. El Mangwancho. I'm not planning on changing my nickname. I think I'm going to stick with it. But for those of you who didn't choose the name wisely when the game was launched, you had the ability to do this one time only, and that'll be it. You get a chance to fix that. So make a wise use of that. And lastly, but not the least, resolve issues with the battery save mode on iOS. These are for Apple phones, and re-enable the feature and other fixes. I don't see what build number they talking about on this upgrade. I'm assuming it's greater than 31 because that's the build name. Build number that was given on the last update. So we'll see. I'm gonna check here. It's running at 10%. I have this. I'm running it now, and I think I'm gonna pause the video so we can go over what the what the items are and what version are they having right now. Let's see, let me go check my, let me see if I can open the game while it's updating. Okay folks, let's see. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at this. Let me go to my settings here and verify. Yes, this is build 31. If you look at the lower right, it's 0.31.0. 31 is the build, I believe. So when it finish updating, that number should change to something greater. So that's what I want to check. I'm gonna post the video right now, and I'll get back to you as soon as the update is done, so we can go over the items on the update. Okay. Hey guys, this is Emanguancho here. Resuming the video. I'm ready to open my new version of Pokemon here from the App Store. Not the App Store, the Google Play. So let's see what's cooking with this new update. I don't have the sound for the game. Hopefully it will work. Hold on, let me check here. The media is there. Okay. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me, and I hope I don't have this problem that other players have with all the game where levels were wiped out and they have to start all over again. Hopefully this is not the case. Yes, do not trespass while playing Pokemon Go. That's was already there. So let's see. Let me check out what the new version is first. For build 33. Okay, so from build 31 we went up to build 33. How do you specify that you are not a driver? Let's see. I'm gonna cache this first, and then I'm gonna start driving my car down to the highway. First, we're gonna see if the issues with the bonuses when you throw an excellent or good balls. This is not a good example. I'll see if I can do a great ball, a great throw, gotcha, and see what we get. Curveball. Do you guys see that I throw a curveball? I don't think so. So I don't know if that's good or bad. But if it's good or bad fix, because I don't know. I don't think I threw a curveball. Let's see. Let me try this now. Paras. This is a difficult one. Let me change my ball to the blue one and see if I can. This is a nice throw. Gotcha. Paras was caught. Nice throw. 10 extra XP, so that worked. Okay, that worked. I'm gonna start driving now and see. Let me disable my Wi-Fi and let me see if I noticed something here with how you tell the game that I'm not a driver. A great ball, a great throw. Sparrow was caught. Great throw, 50 extra points. Yeah, it's good. So they fixed that. Let's see if they add new. How do you tell the system or the game that you are the driver? Music, help center, change. Here's your feature to change your nickname. And this is where you basically will go to do that. Do you want to change your nickname? You can change your nickname only once. It will be displayed to other trainers, so please choose wisely. I'm gonna say no, but that's how you do that. Check that call. And let me start driving. I'm pulling off. I'm gonna disable my Wi-Fi is disabled. I'm gonna start pulling out and see if it's gonna register. So I was saying before that when I drive, it didn't register the kilometers towards my hatching the egg. Let's see what happens if I go into the drive, into the highway. Ratata showed up. I'm not going to take care of that just because I'm dealing with something else. I would, but I'm not going to do it. Let's see what happens when I start driving. It says point find out of 2 kilometers, and I'm waiting here at the stop at the light and see what happens if I start driving fast. Not sure if these updates there's gonna be a lot of complaints about anything on this. Look at that, folks. They added new things in the in the nearby list to show the type of Pokemons that are around it. Obviously, these are grass type Pokemons, and new graphics showing up, enhanced nearby feature. A lot of new things. I'm gonna probably missing. I'm concentrating now on the feature that is supposed to I guess ask me if I'm the driver or not. I'm all by myself in my car, and I'm going to start driving fast. Here we go. 20 miles per hour right now, getting into Route 46 west. I'm on the on the ramp, and there you go, folks. Let's see what happens if I start driving. There you go. You're going too fast. Pokemon Go should not be played while driving. I am the passenger. So at this point, you want to say that whether or not you're the passenger. I'm going to close it down. I don't want my account to be disabled and get caught on the line. This is working. This is a good feature, folks. Good and bad, for players like me that enjoy playing. So I will, while you drive, I'm gonna think about this one a little on, and then I'll get back to you with my findings. Okay. Until the next time, have a great time. I hope you catch a lot of Pokemons, and don't drive and do this because now you're gonna get caught. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.